under the car, dirty
I was
blood.
there for a couple hours and getting
Yo,
it done.
my
Okay?
car
So on
dirty.
that note, if
On
you
the
don't have
next
someone
side,
who tells
even
you,
worse.
go to health city to get an executive health check.
Yo, dog,
Who is an
wash the
executive
car.
health check for?
Yeah, busy way. Gonna be a short episode. A little quick service on the mom's car, you understand? Pulling apart the rest of this junk, bringing home these doors, engine, gearbox, brake booster, and I want to cut off this radiator support. So servicing an easy thing. It's like a beginner thing. Changing the oil, took this off so the oil would run out freely. Alright, like I was saying before, I rudely disturbed by that airplane. Take off the cap so it could run out smoother. And for the newer versions of Hyundai, it's easy. They got a little cover right here, right at the front of the car. Pull it off, the oil filter comes out right there, and then a second hole right here, and the bung is right there, a 17. Pull it out, make the car drain. Yeah, so right now she's done dripping again. Close it back up, you know. Put the new oil filter on, and yeah, done. Quick things. Alright, so these new Hyundais, and most of them use a 34 oil filter. So all I do now is get some oil and rub on the edges, yeah, and lubricate it. Yo, me I dirt, I ain't business, but I'm getting dirty, so rub some oil on it. So all I do now, right there, screw this back in. You can use the tool to tighten it, or you can hand tighten it if you're strong enough. Just use some force, and they're gonna tighten the bung now. Alright, so tighten everything up. Gearbox off. There she goes. Oh, and you see the thing about the car revving out at 5 grand? Jaden was saying that it could be, you see the parking thing, whatever that is. Yeah. He says sometimes that happen. You got Bridget. He showed me the plugins that I got Bridget thing too, but I'm not gonna bother, so I can't start the car and. That battery and then no good, but I always put it on the battery charger and it show up and it say faulty. I try to recondition it with the battery charger I got to, and it still say faulty.
Yeah, so you didn't have no battery, now you have no battery. You take out the battery inside?
And it's still lemon. I put this in the box first and then put that in. Throw the doors on top of them.
Throw the doors on top of the battery.
Oh fuck. On the gearbox then. I put the battery in the front seat, passenger seat. Start working with one hand. Alright, so we got the 2 doors in, gearbox, clutch, flywheel, pressure plate. I'm gonna sell this exhaust, you know, the Jaden. Rough, but yeah, like I was saying now. So just a quick video, but quick little things. Service and part out. So I'll come back tomorrow, finish up the work, and we out. Start her up, you know, and check our oil levels. We'll pick up some aftermarket spark plug oils too. They're not brand new now. It's a budget bill. Better than nothing, cause mine are done. Not these better. Ones of my guys falling apart, guys. Alright, so the car is supposed to be set now. Spark plug wires, and then got a battery. Jaden dropped it off for me. That should be good, but I can link Jaden, you know. I can drive down to Savvy and go drop off some parts for him. Yeah. We down the ends with the peeps them. Oh yeah. And check out this coupe, you know, from the stateside, man. These the real shit. We ain't got no fuckers. This right hand drive, sunroof and everything. Just get paint, 2000 front end. I wonder where that hood come from. It's too dark to even see anything. Should have brought my camera. I never know what coming on, yeah. It's a real deal engine, not a real deal though.
Not yet.
Not yet. Gonna change out the power steering pump, you know.
Quickest power steering change in its life.
You look so.
Because all I need now is to pull off the reservoir hose.
Don't scratch the paint.
I had a nice busy engine bay and also, not gonna lie.
I won't take apart my car and do my engine bay proper this time, but
Proper?
you see like all like the holes that these go into, rust coming out of them on if the paint getting brown around the areas and shit like that.
Oh.
Like the little holes. But I want to drop my engine in. Cause my engine gold and I not don't match the bay, you know. But I choose I sprayed gold before I thought about doing that bay, you know.
Somebody linked me on power steering pump or whatever cord.
If yo anybody want more soup, I got another one in there.
Another one power steering pump.
Yeah. I got two. I scrapped down 2 cars and so 2 interiors, but I keep in one. One is the SAR interior. So I let her. What? Yeah.
And next thing too, I want 2 box seats, but I don't know which
Oh,
box seats.
I got coupe box seats. I got SI box seats with the red stitching in
For
it.
real?
Yeah. But understand now?
Yeah.
Look, can't really fold on, but it still fits in the photo, but just not properly.
The comfort of my jeans.
I probably call them tomorrow, to be honest with you. I was supposed to collect one check today, now, but true say I had to be up and now with school and all this shit today. I buy some baby food, I probably just give some money on that.
I need
I
some.
got to put up this car,
Uh,
put gas in this car and give some money. There you do.
a brunch that hurt my pockets, but
How much it was?
$75 at Luca, but
Brother, you just saw Palmer them bill.
yeah, but that could have had enough people, but
Yo,
but
I
fam,
don't lie still.
the
That
man-
was a lot of money.
the man come to us and say, guys, you gotta stop chugging it. With the boss's words. If you keep doing that, we can't serve you anymore. We're like, blah, blah. So then we there. After we done buzz up now, cause we were taking them go 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 go.
Oh yeah, cause you see, cause you get unlimited champagne, no?
Yeah.
But the thing is that the boss they watch it there.
It's his boss's words. I don't care, but it's him. We like, shit. Now fuck all gone. We were going down again, but cause next way to come round, but we start going down again. But. And then I went on a boat cruise right after and get fucked up, man.
Chicali and them vex at me for that, boy.
You know come?
Yeah, kind of, right?
So man, I sleep in my mama car. I tried to make it station, and I couldn't make it, boy. You see, Old Prospect Road. Alright, you see the car wash? Or the roundabout, then they got a back road. I just park out there, and I said, let me take a little nap, boy. So when I wake up, boy, I'm back, my hair dig up and thing it lit. I said, fuck, I going home, boy. The most fuck up part, I bought Wendy's and I had cheese and fries and a big drink in it. Found about 5 o'clock in the morning, I just jump up my sleep. Oh fuck, the food still in the car. Cheese and fries, sog out. The fucking drink is flavored water and all the ice done melt out. And I had to eat it the same way now, but yo.
For charge.
Yo, I almost missed the fucking thing. We just
boat?
sitting down drinking and Sully boat. The boat boarding, I said, what? And then it dropped me, boy.
Oh yeah, I saw that part of the video, like, watch out.
Live and direct.
Yeah, you don't want to go on the team. That not sound too good.
I can't really tell how high it is, you know. It got my heart. Like an air still up in there.
So how you do that not really?
Hold on, don't move, Eric, don't move.
Ah!
The exhaust carbon leak. They don't even make it to the bottom if you no pressure.
Oh man. Alright, living up in there.
Oh, I tell her. Don't worry about her now. You get her side skirts tomorrow morning, you know.
So yeah, dipping from Jadon Yard, you know, heading back to westbound. Bare parts in the truck. Oh fuck, I had to clean out the bottom. But yeah, what was I gonna say? A constructive data, what you would call it. Bring this gearbox home. Probably do a video with me cleaning it up. Do a video with me cleaning it up. And oh yeah, put in these spark plug wires. Hook up my radiator fan. Bleed my radiator, like get all the air out and shit like that, make it run properly. And I'll try to get some spark plugs in. He was telling me another computer that my car revving out at 5 grand. To say what automatic, the module, the part module. I got bridge, some plug-in part on it, but he showed me already. I try that, and then this battery just get started up and see if she work. But I tired it up. I won't buy a next computer, but a B16 computer. But if that work, I go cheaper. Revving out at 5 grand, you can't drive it out. You don't get no power. You gotta be shifting quick. I can't fuck with that. So yeah, we're gonna call it a night. You know the motto, the slogan. Busy way, you done know. We out.